The world of mobile payments and mobile wallets, customer and merchant experiences are increasingly interconnected. At major international events like the UEFA Euro 24 Championship, fan experience is paramount. Nothing is more frustrating for foreigners than struggling with mobile ticketing or waiting in lines for food, for souvenirs, and then having to search for a payment choice that is accepted. The UEFA Euro 24 is undoubtedly one of the most anticipated international sport events globally. Imagine if football fans could use their home wallets while traveling to watch the games without the hassle of having to load their own cards or their link to their bank accounts into unfamiliar German apps. This is exactly the solution that Alipay Plus offers. It integrates currently over 25 e-wallets and bank apps, enabling users to use their home wallets to pay for their purchases simply by scanning a QR code. This isn't just another wallet, it's a connector wallet. I like to think of it as a super wallet. This year, Asian fans traveling for the UEFA Euro events will be using their native wallets for their purchases. Alipay Plus is a proud sponsor of the UEFA Euro 24 and has already made meaningful strides in Europe, including the UK, France, Spain, Italy, Switzerland, and Germany. Just this April, Alipay Plus joined hands with 𝐿, enabling Alipay Plus merchants to accept mobile payments from over 300 participating banks based in Germany and Austria. Globally, Alipay Plus now is accepted by 88 million merchants in more than 50 countries and regions. This makes transactions across borders seamless and empowers merchants of all sizes, from the small ice cream stand to the food chain provider. They can broadcast offers and loyalty rewards. Alipay Plus's efforts to connect merchants and multiple digital payment methods is beneficial also for the European economy, not only for the Asian fans. Local European merchants will benefit from these Alipay Plus integrations as cross-border transactions are facilitated, the customer experience is enhanced, and that leads to more business. As the outbound travel spend from Asian countries is projected to more than double in the coming decade, and more so for entertainment and services, these digital connector wallets are increasingly valuable, mainly for the economies receiving the travels. This is the next digital era phase for cross-border payments. International sport events like the UEFA Euro 24 are great occasions to showcase the power of integrating wallets, offering customization with home wallets, within home wallets in cross-border business, and boosting merchant revenues.